Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make Ampalaya. In English they call it bitter gourd. I bought this in a Asian store in PA. And that's what I'm gonna cook today. That's what it looks like. You can see this in superstore, in Asian store. Cut both ends. Take the seeds. It's hard to take them sometimes, and the seeds start getting old. And you can save these seeds if you want to plant in the summertime, especially if you live in a warm country. You can plant them anytime, but not like here in Canada. Right now is winter time. Gonna start slicing them up. Now, after I cut them, chop them up, I will add some salt in it. And squeeze them like this. This is my mama taught us how to cook ampalaya. Just to squeeze them like this and to take the bitterness. And then go to the sink. And there's water here now, and I'm just gonna squeeze this. Put it in another bowl. these are all the ingredients for my ampalaya. I have here chopped onion, this half chopped onion, and 2 garlic, 2 eggs. I have this chopped ham. It just happened that I have ham, and I will try to add this here in ampalaya. But if you don't have ham, you can use just eggs, oil, soya sauce, and oyster sauce, salt, and pepper. Get this pan here ready. Put some oil. Now the oil is ready. It's hot. I will add first the garlic, then the onions, then the ampalaya, bitter gourd in English. Add some salt, pepper, some soya sauce, about 1 tablespoon, something like that, and oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Add ham, and let it cook until the gourd, the ampalaya, is tender. Looks like it's cooked. And then I will add the eggs, beaten eggs. You can cook ampalaya just the eggs or just the ham. It's ready. I'm gonna transfer this into this bowl. Now I will taste it. It is very yummy. Thank you guys for watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments. Bye-bye. Let's eat. I have ampalaya and rice and my pancit that's been in the fridge for a while and it's still good. Let's eat. Yummy. Okay. I'm gonna finish my food. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.